Should you switch to the new one-off resident visa category or stay in your queue for your existing SMC or RFW application? Let's find out. G'day team. Okay, so the government has announced a one-off resident visa category that will potentially give out residency to up to 165,000 people. And while that's all well and good, but what about those of you who've been waiting patiently for your SMC and RFW applications to be allocated and processed? Surely they won't put you in the back burner while they're busy processing the one-off resident visa applications, right? Or would they? I suppose it's going to be an easy decision to make the switch if you haven't been waiting for that long. But what about for those of you who are right at the front of the queue? I've actually got clients who lodged their residence applications back in November 2019 and still waiting for allocation. The last time I checked, they haven't allocated for about 2 months now. So you might be pondering whether to switch or not, because you can see that allocation might not be too far away, so it might actually end up being quicker than the new resident visa, especially given that immigration has indicated that the new resident visa applications could take up to 12 months. The trouble is, there isn't any clear information and guidance as to what you should do. Most of you might be thinking, oh, if I stick to the existing residence application, will it be treated as a low priority for immigration since they have more than 100,000 applications on their plate to process in 12 months? And also, even if I make the switch, will it just mean that I'll go to the back of the new line and wait another 12 months? Well, given the lack of clarity, the best we can do at this stage is to piece together what the Minister has said in a webinar and some information that was leaked by Immigration New Zealand. Let's hear what the Minister has said at a webinar that was held by EMA recently.
I'm not going to give anyone any immigration advice, but I would strongly recommend they take the faster and simpler version of the process.
Thank you, Minister.
Okay, and this is a screenshot of the leaked Q&A that was published on the immigration website, but later deleted. Okay, so one thing that is clear is that those with an existing SMC or RFW application can apply in Phase 1 from next month, and they can expect a faster processing time. There will be a relatively smaller number of people qualifying under this cohort, and because immigration is likely to aim to finish processing these before opening the floodgates in March next year with Phase 2 applicants, there is a chance that you might be able to get a decision by March 2022. I think it would be a good idea to switch, especially if you have a complex residence visa application. For example, if you are applying as a retail manager of a franchise business, since they are not going to be using ANSCO to assess the skill level. The one-off residence visa is going to be much simpler and faster for you. And for those of you who have already been allocated, the recent COVID-19 lockdown in Auckland has caused significant delays, and it might take some time for immigration to be able to clear the backlog. For example, one of my clients was allocated on 13th of August, but 3 months on, assessment hasn't even started. And so she's had enough and decided to lodge under the new category next month. We are running a special promotion for those who sign up with us this month, and we've already explained what our fees are in our last video, so please do check that out. And if you'd like to grab the special discount, click the link down below in the comment section and fill out our form, and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. Okay, that's it for today. Please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.